Daniel.
My name is Brandon.
And today we're gonna be doing a mukbang. We're technically doing a fruit mukbang, but can you guess what the fruit is?
Pineapple, of course.
So this is actually not a normal pineapple that is actually sold from normal stores, and it's actually a different color than yellow. So what do you think the color is besides yellow?
Of course, yellow.
So you really think it's yellow?
Yeah.
Well, it's actually the color of your shirt.
Pink?
Yes.
How do you know?
So-
I think you're lying.
So this is a pink pineapple, and it has been 16 years of development, 2 years of FDA permit, and 2 years of growing. So so the total is 20 years. This took a long time to actually grow. So yeah.
Okay, let's try it.
Okay, let's go. Texture of this side.
Yeah, it's pink.
Oh, and this side is yellow.
Is this a letter?
I'm pretty sure this is a letter. Let's see what the letter says. Let me open the letter. Okay. Okay, let's see what the letter says. Pinkglow-pineapple. We hereby declare that this is a 100% authentic, typically grown Pinkglow-pineapple. Congratulations on obtaining this royal delicacy. Okay, and this is where it begins. Whoa, I can feel cold stuff already. Guys, look at this. Holy.
Whoa.
Whoa.
It doesn't smell like pineapple. It smells different.
Smells funny. It smells kind of funny though.
I'm just trying to get it out.
Whoa. Oh, it has pink pineapple that has been in this box.
Wow, what's cool? I mean, no, it looks like
the
it's
side
right there, though.
and let's bring out the big ones.
Right.
I cut the top off. Cool. Yeah, I'll do it.
No, I got it.
No, it's okay. Look, that's not how you do it, sir.
Okay.
Move.
It's hard.
Whoops. It's hard to open.
Let me cut.
There we go. Whoa.
Pink.
Look at this pink pineapple. Looks cool. Damn. Get it. Look at the details. Holy, that looks insane. So we have officially cracked this beautiful Pinkglow-pineapple open. So we're gonna be trying it. These are 2 plates right here.
It smells like pineapple, but I'm wondering if it tastes different.
Alright. Here you go. Alright, now this is the pink pineapple. Looks very good.
So let's try it. It tastes like pineapple mixed with grape.
It tastes like pineapple. It really tastes like the original pineapple, but it's kind of added a little sweet to it. So it's kind of more sweet than the original pineapple. So I finished one pineapple.
Same.
For the second one.
So this pineapple is very sweet, and it's like pineapple and grape mixed flavor.
I would kind of think the same. This is kind of like a pineapple and a grape mixed together, like a tropical flavor. So it's kind of really good than the normal base pineapple. But it's really weird to see this kind of color on a pineapple though. So guys, this is the end of the video. We actually thought this to I was not expecting to this be actually a pink pineapple. I was actually expecting to be actually just a normal yellow pineapple, because as you can see in the top, it's kind of yellow right there, but I actually didn't expect that. And also, you guys can try this. You can actually order it online, but it cost us $50.
What?